Hey Steamy fam, welcome to another review. Today we're taking a look at Aroma's digital rice and grain multi-cooker. And while it may seem like just a normal rice cooker, this multi-cooker does so much more. Let's talk about why this powerful little machine is set to take the place of your current rice cooker and a few of your other trusty kitchen appliances as well. For starters, it also functions as a slow cooker and steamer. Yep, the steam tray allows you to steam meats and veggies while your rice cooks below. It makes soups, stews, risotto, hard-boiled eggs, and even cake. When's the last time your rice cooker made cake? We tested out this multi-cooker with Aroma's recipe for creamy Alfredo sausage spaghetti, and Aroma's patented saute then simmer function makes this a true one-pot meal. Setting it up to cook was as easy as pushing just 2 buttons. Yep, that's it. And after letting it heat up, we were surprised to be able to sear our chicken apple sausage right in the pot. After that, it was just a matter of adding all the rest of our ingredients and letting it cook. The whole process took less than 30 minutes. One thing we absolutely love about this multi-cooker is that it does all this and more without taking up more room than a regular rice cooker, saving us on kitchen counter space and storage space. It even comes with a condensation catcher, so you never again have to worry about removing a hot drippy lid. And just like that, our meal is done. Be sure to visit steamykitchen.com for the full review.